Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk in English, the channel where learning English is easy, natural, and fun.
Hello, everyone. We're very happy to have you here today. My name is Sarah.
And my name is Lucas. Thank you so much for joining us.
Before we start today's lesson, please remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family.
Yes, it really helps our channel grow, and it helps more people learn English around the world.
All right, Lucas, are you ready for today's topic?
I am ready, and I think today's topic is very important.
Yes, it is. Today we are going to talk about friendship and social life.
Friendship is a big part of our lives.
Exactly. We all have friends, or want to make new friends.
And talking about friendship is a very common topic in English conversations.
Lucas, let's start with a simple question. What is friendship?
That's a great question. For me, friendship means having someone you trust.
Trust is very important in friendship.
Yes, a friend is someone you can talk to, laugh with, and share your feelings with.
I agree. Friendship is about support.
Support means helping each other.
Yes, a true friend supports you when you are happy and when you are sad.
Friends celebrate your success.
And they stay with you during difficult times.
That's right. Friendship is not only about fun.
It's also about understanding and respect.
Sarah, do you think there are different types of friends?
Yes, definitely. We have close friends, school friends, work friends, and online friends.
Let's talk about close friends first.
A close friend is someone you know very well.
You can tell them your secrets.
Yes, and you feel comfortable being yourself.
What about school friends?
School friends are friends we meet at school or university.
You study together, help each other with homework, and spend time together.
Some school friends stay friends for life.
That's true. And work friends?
Work friends are people you work with.
You talk during breaks, help each other at work, and sometimes meet after work.
Work friendships make work more enjoyable.
And online friends?
Online friends are people we meet on social media or online platforms.
They can live in different countries.
Yes, and speaking English helps us make international friends.
Sarah, is it easy or difficult to make friends?
For some people, it's easy. For others, it's difficult.
Many English learners feel shy when speaking English,
That's true, but making friends starts with small steps.
like saying hello.
Yes, a simple greeting can start a conversation.
You can ask simple questions like, where are you from? What do you do? What do you like?
People like it when you show interest.
Listening is very important.
Yes, good friends listen to each other.
Smiling also helps.
A smile makes you look friendly and open.
Let's practice some simple English sentences.
Great idea.
For example, I have many friends.
Or, my best friend's name is Anna.
You can say, we met at school.
Or, we enjoy spending time together.
You can also describe your friend.
For example, she is kind and funny.
He is honest and supportive.
These are very useful words.
Now let's talk about social life,
Social life means the activities we do with other people.
like meeting friends,
Going out together.
talking, laughing, and sharing experiences.
A good social life helps us feel happy and connected.
Sarah, what social activities do you enjoy?
I enjoy meeting friends for coffee.
Coffee is very popular.
Yes, we talk, relax, and enjoy our time.
I like going for walks with friends.
That's a healthy activity.
I also enjoy watching movies with friends.
Movie nights are fun.
Some people like parties.
Yes, parties are common social events,
Others prefer quiet activities.
like reading together or having deep conversations.
Social media plays a big role in social life today.
Yes, we use social media to stay in touch.
We send messages, photos, and videos.
It helps us connect with friends far away.
But face-to-face communication is still important.
Yes, meeting in person builds stronger relationships.
Let's talk about good friendship habits.
Being honest is important.
Keeping promises.
Respecting each other's time.
Helping when a friend needs support.
Saying thank you and sorry.
Small words make a big difference.
Friendships are not always perfect.
Sometimes there are problems.
Misunderstandings happen.
Arguments can happen.
Talking calmly helps solve problems.
Listening without interrupting is important.
Apologizing when you are wrong is a sign of maturity.
Our personality affects our friendships.
Some people are outgoing.
They make friends easily.
Others are quiet.
Quiet people can still have deep friendships.
There is no right or wrong personality.
Friendship can be different in different cultures.
Yes, in some cultures, people become close quickly.
In others, friendships grow slowly.
Learning English helps us understand different cultures.
And respect differences.
Let's practice together.
You can say, my friend's name is blank.
He or she is years old.
We met blank.
I like my friend because blank.
Simple sentences are perfect.
Let's review some keywords.
Friend, best friend, close friend.
Trust, support, respect.
Social life, social activity.
Conversation, relationship, communication.
Friendship starts with kindness.
And good communication.
Don't be afraid to speak English.
Mistakes are okay.
Practice makes progress.
That brings us to the end of today's lesson.
Thank you so much for listening.
We hope you learned how to talk about friendship and social life in English.
Please leave a comment and tell us about your friends.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone!
Goodbye.